All right, guys, quick 5-minute tour of the new one we got on the lot called the BERTHA. This is an 11-foot by 40-foot Amish built RV park model RV with a 8-foot by 11-foot front covered porch, fully screened in. It comes just like you see it for only $85,000. Let me take you in and show you what you get for $85,000. Again, this is a park model RV, so it does come on a 4-axle trailer system, as you can see over here. Take note of that big bay window, by the way, when we go inside. It's beautiful. Allows for a lot of natural light to come in. 4-axle system. It's ready to be towed. This one is available for sale. And it is a park model RV. Beautiful. D-log siding. We got it stained dark on the outside, dark brown, but on the inside we went with a light tongue and groove knotty pine to make it look lighter and airy and bigger inside. So let me take you inside and show you what that looks like, okay? Just a quick little 5-minute tour. So you go inside, you got your front porch right here. Again, 8-foot by 11-foot, goes up probably 11 foot to the peak. So very high, which makes it feel nice, wide open and spacious. And now you got that nice indoor, outdoor livable situation going on here where you put your grill, couple of rocking chairs out here. You could just chillax. You got the glass window in the door, again, to allow lots of natural light to come in. Got your light fixture here. Let's go on inside and show you. Look at this, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Again, I love when the outside is dark and then you come inside, you got your dark floors and you got all these big windows and you got your light wood, the light knotty pine tongue and groove, just to make everything seem wide open, airy, light, spacious, and very livable. Again, this is something I can picture myself living in this full time, okay? They did put one of these big bars in here just to kind of show off their furniture. Obviously, I'm with the Amish, so they like to showcase their furniture every chance they get. But typically, obviously, a big bar like that would not come in here. That's where you're gonna hang up your TV, put you some chairs around here, and chillax, okay? Very light and airy. It does come with one mini split in here and one in the master bedroom, as I'll show you in a little bit. This is a 2-bed, 1-bath, 1-bedroom downstairs with your loft upstairs. All the appliances in here are regulation size Whirlpool microwave, regulation size Frigidaire range, regulation size General Electric dishwasher, and it will come with a regulation size refrigerator, which you can put over there, over here, wherever you want. And this is just a sales lot model, so I don't have a fridge in this one, but it does come with that. You got your recessed lights. Again, 11 foot to the peak up here. It's very spacious, guys. That bay window I was telling you about leaves it all that natural light coming in. Again, over here, got your Amish built kitchen cabinet, so your built-in ledges there. Just beautiful, guys. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Over here, you got this little box, put storage on top. Inside of it is your 20-gallon water heater, or you can opt in to go tankless. You got a spot here for your stackable washer and dryer. Again, you can use the top of this for storage. You got a pocket door here for privacy that leads into your downstairs bedroom. Again, with their furniture, they put a big old oversized dresser, way too big for this bedroom, but we can do a smaller one, put you a queen size or full size bed in here. Double pane windows again throughout, easy clean vinyl windows. Just a beautiful setup. Got your electrical panel there. Beautiful, right? Absolutely beautiful. And then upstairs, before we go upstairs, your bathroom, sink, toilet. You got a full tub in here, or we can do a walk-in shower, whichever you prefer. Okay, and then last but not least, upstairs, you got this ladder that goes up. And again, to your loft up top here, where you got, again, a nice peak up here. You can easily put a queen size or full size bed on that side, and on this side, put you a twin, okay? And that little thing, you can see the hinges on it. That little fence there does fold down. So if you're hanging outstairs, you wanna see what everybody got downstairs going on, you can fold down and talk to them. Then when it's time to go to bed so the kids don't fall out, it just latches up. So again, electric is up here as well. Again, give us a call, guys, if you're interested in an Amish built park model. These are built by the Amish and we ship them nationwide. Just beautiful structures, all handcrafted by the Amish. And we ship them all over the United States. Or again, with this one being on wheels, you can just come out and pick it up yourself. But I will tell you, you ain't gonna pick this up with no Ford F-150. When they bring these things over, they bring them in semis and stuff. So you probably gotta have a big rig to pick this up. You gotta have a big rig to pick this one up. Every time they bring it to me, they bring it to me in a semi. So again, with the indoor-outdoor living, with the screened-in porch, keep them bugs off your back. Again, you see, got the beautiful dark stained wood on the outside, but on the inside, light wood, dark floors. See how it all comes together? Again, this one is available for sale. This one is ready to ship. $85,000 as is, minus the furniture, of course, but it does include all the appliances and the refrigerator, all the electrics in it, mini split for heating and cooling.
Hello everyone. Today I want to show you guys our beautiful park model called the Rocky. Let's go inside and I'll show you this beautiful model. Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm going to get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm going to talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. I love it over here, and my son is really acting like he's so relaxed. But we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops. Very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and also can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy.
Very handy. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have two stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. Walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot. of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
Windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable. Okay, so let's make our way now back to the bedroom area. And
as you pass the bathroom, we just show, and this is your bedroom over here.
Electrical panel.
Nice and spacious with the beautiful windows over here. I love this. Gorgeous.
Yeah. So there's your second mini split, your Bosch mini split. There's your windows. Again, windows galore, guys, from the top of the ceiling to the bottom. You see all those windows. The fan up here blowing, keeping everything nice and cool. These are your screens for your windows. Obviously, they'll be installed after the home has been shipped. Again, there's your lovely bathroom. And let's take them outside and show them what the outside of it looks like as well. And then we'll just keep trucking along here. Look at that. Isn't that pretty, guys? So let's show them what the yeah, you got a couple lights there. Again, you got this ribbed metal with the cedar trim